Hello everyone. Welcome to my Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to create this. Click here to create a new layer, and press Ctrl-Delete to apply background color. Now double-click on Layer 1 to open Blending option. Apply Gradient Overlay. Click here to change gradient color. And click OK. Press Ctrl-G to group this layer. And rename it to Background. Now click here to create a new layer. Right-click on this layer and convert to Smart Object. Fill to 0%. Select Layer 2. And press Ctrl-J to duplicate 4 layers. Select the top layer and rename it to replace your text. Select Layer 2 and rename it to Shadow. Now press Ctrl and select this through layer. Press Ctrl-G to group them. Rename it to Effects. Rename this 3-layer to Effect 1. Effect 2. And Effect 3. Now double-click on top layer's thumbnail. Select Type tool. And type here. Double-click on text layer to open blending option. Apply stroke. Change position to outside. Size 14 pixel. And click OK. Press Ctrl-S to save this. And back to main document. Now select Effect 1. Fill to 100%. Double-click on it to open blending option. Apply color overlay. And click here to change color. Apply stroke. Click here to change stroke color. Size to 1 pixel. Apply bevel and emboss. Department to 72%. Size to 31 pixel. Untick the global light. And altitude to 70 degree. Open gloss contour option. And select inverted cone. Click here to edit contour. Select this point. And output to 50%. Then click OK. Now click here to change highlight color. And highlight mode to linear dodge. Opacity to 100%. Click here to change shadow color. And shadow mode to color dodge. Opacity to 100%. Apply contour to bevel. Click here to open contour option and select Gaussian. Apply glow. Click here to change color. Blend mode to normal. Opacity to 80%. Noise to 71%. Choke to 3%. Size to 50 pixel. Range to 47%. Apply setting. Click here to change structure color. Change blend mode to color dodge. Opacity 40%. Angle 82 degree. Distance to 22 pixel. Size to 73 pixel. Untick the anti-alias. Open contour option and select Deep Cove. Apply outer glow. Click here to change color. Change blend mode to linear burn. Opacity to 23%. Size to 8 pixel. And click OK. Now select Effect 2. And double-click to open blending option. Apply gradient overlay. Click here to change gradient color. Click in the middle to add a stop. And change its color. Then click OK. Changed blend mode to soft light. Opacity to 39%. Change style to redial. Scale to 93%. Apply bevel and emboss. Change technique to chisel hard. Depth to 100%. Size to 243 pixel. Soften to 16 pixel. Angle to 120 degree. Altitude to 60 degree. Change gloss contour to linear, and tick the anti-alias. Click here to change highlight color. And highlight mode to hard light. Opacity to 26%. Click here to change shadow color. And shadow mode to overlay. Opacity to 30%. Apply inner shadow. Click here to change color. Change blend mode to overlay. Opacity to 52%. Untick the global light. An angle to -90 degree. Distance to 9 pixel. Size to 5 pixel. Tick the anti-alias. Then click OK. Now select Effect 3, double-click on it to open blending option. Untick this option. And tick this option. Apply bevel and emboss. Change technique to smooth. Depth to 71%. Size to 13 pixel. Altitude to 65 degree. Change gloss contour to ring. Click here to change highlight color. And highlight mode to screen. Opacity 100%. Click here to change shadow color. and shadow mode to normal. Opacity 20%. Apply contour to bevel. Change contour to linear. Click here to edit contour. Select a point and input to 75%. Output to 55%. Tick the corner and click OK. Now tick the anti-alias. Then click OK to finish. Now select shadow layer and double click onto to open blending option. Apply drop shadow. Click here to change color. Opacity to 85%. Angle to 120 degree. Distance to 14 pixel. Size to 27 pixel. Tick the anti-alias. Then click OK. Now select this effect group and click here to create a new adjustment layer and apply color balance. Click here to create a clipping mask. Cyan to 100. Magenta to -3. And yellow to 38. Now press Ctrl and select this two layer. Press Ctrl G to group them and rename it to text effect.